We'll
Just
just
start
start
making a load of...
Hi, you right? Do you first do you take collection, like?
Yeah, we do collection, yeah.
Alright, great. Can I have a pepperoni pizza with chicken?
Pardon?
I said, can I have duck, please?
Can't hear you.
Yeah.
Yeah, what duck do you do?
Pardon?
No,
Can you say again?
duck.
Duck.
Yeah, duck.
We do the
Quack.
quarter duck, quarter alimadi duck, or the duck with mushroom, duck with chow mein, duck fried rice, duck canini, duck
Wait.
pineapple.
Did I just hear dog fried rice?
Yeah, we do duck fried rice, yeah?
Mad. Okay. What's the prices on that by any chance?
Duck fried rice,
Yeah.
£5.40.
Okay, no worries. Can I have dog fried rice, please, and chicken balls with sweet and sour sauce?
So you want to portion a duck fried rice and chicken ball
Beetroot.
portion.
Yes, please. Do you have beetroot by any chance?
Pardon?
Beetroot. You know, the beetroot. Purple.
No.
Oh, okay, no worries. Yeah, can I just have that, please, for collection?
Yes. Okay, yeah. And your name, please?
Mike Hunt.
Yeah, okay. In about 10, 15 minutes, yeah?
Yeah, no worries.
Yeah, thank
Alright,
you.
thank you. Thank
Cool.
you. Bye.